What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Pro Cycling Manager 25 on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and what we will do, we will search up this game on Steam, and after that we will continue to another website to download this game with a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. So what we will do, we will go to our browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, go to the Steam website, quickly search up this game, and then we will continue to another website to download it. So search for the game Pro Cycling Manager 25 and after that select it. Now scroll a little bit down and you will find the game Pro Cycling Manager 25 for your PC for €39.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. What you need to do is go to the link in the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. And after that we will search up the same game, Pro Cycling Manager 25. Search for the game, select games on the left side, and after that sort by price lowest first. Now once you have done that, scroll a little bit down and you will find this game already for just €24.88. Now select the game, select it, and it will open the game page. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then you will see that this game can be activated in my country. So always make sure this game is able to be activated in your country. After that, make sure it is the Steam platform, because we would like to download this game through Steam. Now if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a Steam activation key or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. So the next step is of course play this game, enjoy it, and hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial, guys. Cheers, bye bye.